Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Doris NPC during the meteor shower in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. Doris is a secret NPC in Heartopia. You can only find her during the meteor shower and also during the rainbow event. Oh, sorry. One more weather that you can see Doris is rainy weather. So you can find her during meteor shower, rainbow event, and also the rainy weather. And now it's the meteor shower, so we can find Doris. Now she's here, guys, at the Spirit Oak Pine Forest. And basically, the place is always changing. For now, she's right here, but for the next event or the next weather, she can be at the fishing village or the onsen mountain or the forest. So it's pretty random. But if you want to find her, just look at the sky and you need to see where the meteor comes from. And it's from here, so it means that the Doris is around here, around the forest. Okay, just like that. And when you find Doris, you can go to her store, her fortune store, where you can purchase limited items. For the meteor shower, you can buy the item with the meteorite, like this. You can mine the Starfall Ore like this, and you can purchase the meteorite item with this Starfall. Oops, you can mine them like this. And okay guys, that's how you can find Doris NPC in Heartopia during the meteor shower. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.